What's up guys? This is Lance Corey and we are here at the Thrashin Supply Garage. And today we're going to show you the all-new inner shift arm. So I'm going to have the Thrashin Supply engineer, Juan Arceo, tell you what it's all about.
With our all-new Easy Shift, we set out to improve the shifting feel of the baggers. As you guys may know, finding neutral is a common issue with these, so I'm going to show you some of the testing we did to alleviate that. This is a factory setup bike. It has a factory shift arm and it has a factory inner shift arm as well. So I'm going to show you some of the torque readings we get from this. We're going to be shifting from first to neutral. 12.6 foot-pounds. I'm going to take this reading a couple of times. 14. We can get the average of these readings. 13, say average about 13. I'm gonna do a quick swap. It should only really take about 5 minutes to get it changed out, and then we'll show you the readings then. And there it is, guys. We got the Easy Shift installed. We're gonna run the same test again from first to neutral. 10.5 is the first number. 9.5, let's get another one. 10.3, average. 9.8 or 10. And there you have it. Our all new Easy Shift is gonna make your shifts easier and smoother. Proven performance from our all new Easy Shift. I went ahead and installed the 1-inch shorter shift arm to button up the look of our bike. And one thing I'm really stoked about is all the components here are made right here in the United States.
So there you have it, proven performance from the Easy Shift. Get yours today.